1.
Hello, I am here today to talk about the Olmec, Aztec, Mayan, and Incan civilizations. This is Mesoamerican Cultures and People by Alana, Taylor, Alexis, Natalie, and Agneta. Each group came and went at different times. The first people to come were the Olmecs. Their civilization started around 1200 BC and ended around 400 BC. Next were the Mayans, who began around 200 AD and collapsed in the 900s. Then came the Aztecs, who came about in the 1100s AD and ended around 1521 AD. And lastly were the Incans, who began around 1200 AD and ended in the 1570s. Okay, so let's talk about the Olmecs first. The Olmecs were the earliest known civilization in Mesoamerica. They were known for their great use of stone in their architecture. Also, huge stone head they created many sculptures. They were the first to build pyramids in the Americas too. As you can see, the Olmecs were the first to do many things in the Americas, like building the first pyramids and developing the first known civilization. This is why they were considered the mother culture. The Mayans accomplished many things. They built huge pyramids with stone temples on top. They also created the first calendar ever. To control the flow of water through their cities, they built canals. The villages they lived in traded goods with each other. This helped them build great large cities. Because of the Mayans, people today believe some different events. They believe these events happened because of the Mayan calendar. Many people believe that on December 21st, 2012, the world is going to end. This is because the Mayan calendar ends at 2012. The Mayans were also able to predict many solar eclipses that did actually happen by their study of astronomy. Next in line are the Aztecs. They were known for having fierce warriors and an excellent military. This superior military was key to their success. They made many alliances to help build their empire by conquering a lot of towns, and in addition, controlled a huge trade network. Trade and tribute from their cities the Aztecs conquered helped make them very rich. By the early 1500s, they had the most powerful and wealthy state in Mesoamerica. The Olmec and the Mayans built pyramids. The Olmecs were the first civilization to build the pyramids. These pyramids were very tall and narrow with steep staircases on all four sides, leading up to a platform where they performed ceremonial rituals like human sacrifice. They built these pyramids so they could perform all these ceremonies. The Mayan pyramids were similar to the Olmec pyramids, except that the Mayan pyramids had temples on top of theirs to perform religious ceremonies. The Mayans built their pyramids for basically the same reason as the Olmecs did, for religious ceremonies. The beginning of the Inca rule started with the conquest of monk culture in Peru. From there, this civilization was made and their society was formed. The Inca society was arranged in a strict hierarchical structure. At the top was the Sapa, or the highest priest, and the army commandeer. The temple priests, architects, and regional army commandeers were next. The lowest classes consisted of farmers, artisans, and herders. The central city where they lived was mainly used for government purposes, while the citizens lived in the surrounding areas. Their homes were made from stone and had grass rooftops. The 6 major gods they believed in represented the moon, the sun, the earth, thunder and lightning, and the sea. The Sun Temple, a major temple they had, was a religious calendar that marked the winter and summer solstices. The Incans believed strongly in their culture. This wraps up our presentation on the Olmec, Mayan, Aztec, and Incan cultures.